Prolong. Extend the duration of. Prolong. Lengthen. Extend. Stretch. Morally, relating to principles of right and wrong in behavior, ethically, virtuously, righteously. Prospective, likely to happen at a future date, concerned with or applying to the future. Potential, future, likely, exaggerate, represent something as being larger, better, or worse than it really is. Overstate, overemphasize, inflate. Breeder, a person who breeds animals or plants. Animal breeder, plant breeder. Urged, strongly encourage someone to do something. Encourage, persuade, prompt. Yielding, giving way under pressure. Submissive, compliant, acquiescent. Corps, a main subdivision of an armed force consisting of two or more divisions. Division, unit, brigade. Explore the inherent, existing in something as a permanent, essential, or characteristic attribute. Intrinsic, innate, natural. Discuss. Auger, a tool with a helical bit for boring holes in wood. Drill, bore, bit. Vocational, relating to or providing skills, education, or training required for a particular job or career. Career, occupational, practical. Intercepted, interrupt someone while they are speaking. Interrupt, cut off, intervene. Elevate, raise or lift something up to a higher position. Raise, lift, hoist, explore. Deceased, no longer living, dead, dead, departed, passed away. Mule deer, a large deer with a characteristic black tail. Black-tailed deer, buck, stag. Learn about. Succumb, fail to resist. Pressure, temptation, or some other negative force. Yield, submit, surrender. Ailment, an illness, typically a minor one. Illness, sickness, disorder. Chronic, persisting for a long time or constantly recurring. Persistent, long-lasting, enduring. Wasting, a gradual decline in effectiveness or vigor due to underuse or neglect. Decline, deterioration, weakening. Elk, a large deer with a broad antler. Moose, caribou, reindeer. Symptoms, a physical or mental feature that is regarded as indicating a condition of disease. Indications, signs, manifestations. Stumbling, trip or momentarily lose one's balance. Trip, falter, stagger. Telltale, revealing or indicating something, especially something unfavorable. Revealing, indicative. Analytical, relating to or using analysis or logical reasoning. Logical, rational, systematic. Dive into analysis. Wax, a solid substance that becomes softer when warm and is used in making candles, polishes, and models. Beeswax, paraffin, candle wax. Molded, shaped or formed in a mold. Shaped, formed, sculpted. Evasion, the action of avoiding something. Avoidance, dodging, eluding. Farewell, an expression of good wishes when parting or at the end of a conversation. Goodbye, parting, adieu. Captivating, capable of attracting and holding interest, enchanting, fascinating, enthralling, charming. Hospitality, the friendly and generous reception and entertainment of guests, visitors, or strangers. Friendliness, welcome, warmth, explore. Resort, a place that is a popular destination for vacations or recreation. Vacation spot, retreat, destination. Integration, the action or process of integrating. Assimilation, incorporation, unity. Mortal, of a living human being, often in contrast to a divine being, subject to death. Human, earthly, perishable. Ancillary, providing necessary support to the primary activities or operation of an organization, institution, industry, or system. Supportive, auxiliary, secondary, to their own country. Return, restoration, homecoming. Learn about repatriation with Lexiloom. Subscribe. Pristine, in its original condition, unspoiled, untouched, unspoiled, pure. Indigenous, originating or occurring naturally in a particular place. Native, native, original, local. Leap, jump or spring a long way to a great height or with great force. Jump, bound, spring, bugging, to cause constant or repeated trouble or distress to someone or something. Annoy, irritate, pester, such like, of the same or a similar kind. Similar, alike, akin. Occasions, a particular event, ceremony, or celebration. Events, ceremonies, celebrations. Glazing, the process of fitting glass into windows, doors, etc., or covering something with a smooth, shiny surface. Glass installation, coating, covering. Council, an advisory, deliberative, or legislative body of people formally constituted and meeting regularly. Committee, assembly, board. Proactive, taking action to make things happen rather than waiting for them to happen. Assertive, initiative, anticipatory,